What if you could create a complete cinematic music video with just one prompt? No filming, no complicated editing, and no need to combine dozens of AI-generated clips. Meet One More Shot, an AI-powered music video generator that uses Cdance 2.0 to turn your song and a simple prompt into a complete music video. Most AI video tools only create short clips, and you have to edit and combine them manually. But One More Shot can create a full music video up to 8 minutes long in a single generation. It keeps the artist consistent, matches the lip sync, and creates one continuous story from start to finish. To get started, click the link in the description if you'd like to try it yourself. Once you're inside, you'll see two creation modes, music video and lyrics video. We'll test both and see which one works best for different use cases. For now, stick with music video and let's begin. The workflow is super simple. Start by uploading your song, or pasting a music link from an AI music platform like Suno, and the AI takes it from there. Then you'll choose your main character. If you already have a reference image, upload it to keep the same character consistent throughout the entire music video. Don't have one? No problem. Just click Create, describe your character, and the AI will generate one for you in seconds. Both approaches work well, but for this tutorial, I'll use my own character reference. Now it's time to direct your music video. Write a prompt describing everything you want to see. For example, I'll use a female rapper performing in a ruined post-apocalyptic city while hundreds of zombies surround her. Cinematic drone shots, close-ups, dramatic lighting, smoke, fire, and realistic visual effects. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Then, for the most photorealistic results, set the style to realistic. Now hit Generate. Before the full video is created, you'll first see a preview image. Don't worry, this is just a low-fidelity draft that lets you quickly review your character and overall composition. If anything looks off, simply click Edit to regenerate or tweak the image until it matches your vision. Once you're happy with the preview, enable high quality and generate the final video. In a single generation, it creates a complete music video with consistent characters, cinematic visuals, accurate lip sync, and a continuous storyline from beginning to end. Now, here's the impressive part. Pause the video at any point, even right in the middle, and compare it with the beginning. You'll notice that the character's appearance stays remarkably consistent, while the scenes flow naturally without random changes. If you want to refine the result, you don't have to generate the entire video again. Just open the generated project, click Continue Editing, switch to Shots mode, select the specific clip you want to change, and use Recreate. The AI will regenerate only that shot, making it easy to fine-tune individual scenes while keeping the rest of the video unchanged. But that's not all. You can also bring multiple characters into the same music video and have them perform together. Simply upload your main character, then click Add Character to introduce additional performers. The AI supports up to 3 characters in a single music video, making it easy to create dynamic performances, realistic interactions, and more engaging storylines. This feature is completely optional, so if you're interested, give it a try and experiment with different character combinations to see what you can create. Now let's move on to the lyrics video mode and see what it can create. The process is just as simple. First, upload your music track, then describe your vision using a prompt. You can tell the AI how you want the lyrics to appear, the overall mood, visual effects, and the type of experience you want to create. Next, choose a visual style. For this example, I'll select Mixed Media. Adding a singer or character is completely optional here, so you can skip it if you only want a lyrics-focused video. Once everything is set, hit generate, and the AI will transform your song into a fully animated lyrics video.
Walking, his turn. Spotlight, my turn. Heartbeat, live wire. Start once, start fire. Click, 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 flash in the headline tees. Red gloss dripping down my teeth. Side eye cutting through the heat, too loud, but you lean toward me. What you gonna do when I lock on you? Zeroing target on your cool. Take another step, now you're in my zone. You're in my zone, you're in my. Bite the night, don't wait, I take it. Bite the night, every rule, I break it. Yeah, hands up high, let it shake. Don't fake it. Bite the night, bite the night.
The result looks impressive, with dynamic visuals and synced lyrics matching the music. And just like the music video mode, you can continue editing after generation. You can adjust specific parts, recreate shots, and fine-tune the final video until it matches your vision. But the real advantage is that you can reuse the same AI-generated music video across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Spotify Canvas. Instead of creating separate content for every platform, turn one song into multiple videos and reach a wider audience with less effort. If you want to try it yourself, use my link in the description and generate your first AI music video with One More Shot AI. That's it for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool.